Myself, Vaishnavi from SNS College of Engineering in the Department of Information Technology. So, why we are here now and what we're going to do? The answer is we're going to explore about Python. So, we're going to explore Python basics. So, what is Python? What is Python? So, as we all know, Python is a programming language. So, before knowing about the Python, we'll go into a programming language. So, a programming language is nothing but a set of instructions which is used to perform some task in a computer. So as we all know, a program is a set of instructions. We give sequence of instruction like when we press a key is pressed and these tokens will be sent to the system. Likewise, the language which is used to write these programs are said to be a programming languages. So the programming languages are categorized into three types, as we all know that it is machine level language, assembly language, and high level language. Now let us see about the Python. So as we all know that Python is a popular programming language which was created by Guido van Rossum in the year of 1991. So as we all know, Python is open source, that is we can access it without any license. That is not required any license, and a high level programming language which can be dynamically typed and portable and very expressive and easy to learn and code. Because it is a simple English syntax, it is very easy to learn and code the programming language because of all its data are sometimes in the libraries. We can directly use the formulas or syntax. So where it is used, Python is used for developing web pages or websites. They use Python server side script, and also it is also used for developing softwares, gaming softwares. All those nowadays we use are based on Python, and also it helps in mathematics and system scripting. So why we choose Python instead of there is n number of languages, programming languages are available? Why we choose Python? So Python works on different platforms. It is such as Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It works in any kind of OS. It is independent. And Python has a simple syntax, as I said before, which is similar to the English language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages because it has a library files so that the data are already instructed over there. We can directly give that and use it in the program. So Python runs on an interpreter system. It means that the code can be executed as soon as it is written. Once it is written, we can immediately see the output of a program. So where to execute? So now we know what is Python and what is programming language. So where to execute this Python? So here are the ways which we can run a Python script. So there are four ways: interactive mode, command line, text editor, that is VS Code, and IDE PyCharm. So what I mean by interactive mode? So which is nothing but a command prompt on your Windows machine. So we use a command prompt in Windows machine, so we can run our Python program directly here. So command line store, in command line we store in a .py file, which is an extension for the file name. We have to write Python keyword before the file name in the command prompt. So Python is a keyword, okay. And also we can execute in a IDE, that is Python. Now we're going to execute in a IDE. So for that we have to create new Python file, and then we can type a simple Python program. Here I have written hello world. When we run the Python program, as you see that, as already it is said that it is an interpreter mode. Once you type the program in, as soon as you can see the output. So here I just typed the program print hello world and gave run. Immediately I can find the output here below as a hello world. Now let us see about the fundamentals of Python. So these are the fundamentals of Python's: variables, constant, token, statements, indentation, and comments. So variables are nothing but which is used to store the values, constant which cannot be changed, tokens are the return, statements which we give as a control statement, all those within the data. Indentation is the space, how what are the spaces are required for this. So for if a loop is started, then you have to give space until the loop closes. These are the indentation is more and more important in Python. And comments is that non-executable code. So as we all know the keywords, so there are 33 keywords. Before knowing that keywords, we know what is keyword. Keywords are the special reserved words which have a specific meaning and specific purpose. It cannot be used for any other purpose. Only the keyword is used for that particular purpose. So the number of keywords in Python is 33.